everyone, I am Karthik. I am speaking on the importance of English language in our daily life. English for now is the medium to connect with other languages in other region. As we can see in all state, if we want to, if we have 50 plus languages, but when we want to communicate through a medium, we can't communicate in South in Hindi, but it is required to communicate in English because the languages all over influence in our country because of the invaders which invaded our country. The English is embedded in our country. Everything we see, our posters, all are in English. The advertisement, even our influencer which go outside hesitate to speak their local languages. They speak. Good evening, everyone. I'm going to share my thoughts on the important.
Tell your name first.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Abhinav, and I'm going to speak about the importance of English in our daily life. So, English is a global and a worldwide language. We can communicate matlab, anybody who is living in Africa in many small countries. Well, English might be a secondary language for Indians because Indians are proud to be like if they speak Hindi, it's good. If they speak Marathi, they're good. But English is a second language. In many places, they hate Hindi, but they are comfortable to talk in Hindi. But English, they are comfortable to talk in English.
Right.
So I think that English is important to learn and to speak.
To speak. So he's saying that India is a multilingual country, and as people don't find it practical to learn Hindi or any regional language in that way, that English can be learned. Okay, very nice. Arab, get mic and speak.
So good evening everyone. My name is Araf Pravakar and I am going to share why English is important in our daily life. Because English is important in our daily life because in English there are many people speak in English in India also. In English there are
So why should we speak English in daily life when all the people can understand Hindi? Even then, English should be spoken as per you. Why?
because English is the out English.
It is a language of literate people. Those who are educated, they can communicate in English easily, and more people can be connected. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why is English important for those people who deal with the tourists? Say something.
सर बिकॉज ऑफ मीडियम ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन लाइक द टूरिस्ट मतलब उनको हिंदी वगैरह नहीं आती तो द कम्युनिकेशन विद द टूरिस्ट इज ओनली इंग्लिश और द अदर लैंग्वेज दैट
Okay.
टूरिस्ट अंडरस्टैंड सो
Tourists come from all over the world.
Yes,
Or
sir.
we are talking about our country. In our country as well, tourists come from all over states.
यस सर
And English is the only language which is spoken all over the globe, even in Europe, America, Africa, Australia, China, and in India, all the parts of India.
यस
So you can make better connection with the tourist if you communicate in
Yes.
English.
Yes.
Okay, be seated. Who else is willing to speak this side? Pass this mic.
Hello everyone, my name is Sai Soni. As we know, the English is very important in today's world. In our India is in a developing country. The foreign companies are give investment in India. They demand English for their work. For
Do you want to
foreign client,
You
we
want
need
to
to speak English fluently to understand their what they can want to say and what they want to do need from India. uh, in India there are many religions and there are many regional language in India. In India have no any national language. Uh, in
You are right. There is no national language in India, but many people consider Hindi as the national language.
Yes.
So what is that confusion?
Uh,
English is an international language, but there is no national language. National is a tag, like national bird is peacock, national animal is lion. In the same manner, there are so many things which are national, national anthem, national symbol, but there is no national language. Many a times government tried to make Hindi as a national language, but there is a lot of opposition and protest. Okay, thank you for speaking.